Good evening and welcome to the day 2 of the workshop Blog with Screen Reader organized by Accessible Computing. This is a free online training in which we are learning how we can create a blog by using Screen Reader. We use Google's product Blogger or blogspot.com to create our blog. Yesterday we have already discussed in our first part that we can create blog, we can write post and pages. We know that how to write blog pages and blog posts. We have also discussed a little bit about theme. We know that we have a theme for our blog. By default, a theme is selected which is called Contemplate, which is okay for our tutorial. If you didn't watch that video, please click on the I button or use the description box to watch the video first. Tomorrow we have a live talk session in our dedicated WhatsApp group, so if you want to join that session, feel free to submit the registration form which is available in the video description. Today we are going to learn the next process where we will discuss about the gadgets to design your blogs. So without any delay, let's start today's session. So let me open Brave.
Brave 13 of new tab.
Let me open blogspot.com.
Log
in one
LOT
tab.
and select S and P O T P S pot P O and T and CO selection room com blogspot.com selected. Blogger posts banner landmark button expanded main menu.
So when you land to the Blogger, by default the post page or post section will open where you can create a new post or delete existing post. Whatever you want you can do. You can always do the same thing with post and pages. So all the options are same except few options which we have already discussed in the previous session. Today we are going to learn the gadgets. So first we have header gadgets, not header gadgets. So let's
button expanded.
explore one by one. To open the gadgets, first you need to
Link
go to
button expanded main menu.
this main menu. So press twice, enter.
Blog selection
Press
list
enter
collapse.
twice.
Read inspirational stories online and change your life to a free.
So from here onwards, you just press to tab to find
Read blog post stats link comments earnings link. Pages link visited. Layout link.
layout. So layout link. So you need to click on layout to find the gadgets.
Visited. Layout 6 blogger posts document. Page loaded.
Now I'm pressing escape key. Now I'm pressing H to find one by one.
Frame clickable banner landmark search. Top heading level 4.
Search. This is the search gadget with the help of which you can add the search button in your blog where you can easily people can easily search on articles from your blog. So let me introduce every gadget you can edit. You have the option to edit. Some options are not editable as this is free and there are some limitations also available. So now let me tell one by one. First,
out of frame add, remove a banner landmark nav, out of menu add, remove
So-
and edit gadgets on your blog. Click and drag
So-
to rearrange gadgets to change columns.
add rearrange gadgets, but currently rearranging option is not accessible with Screen Reader. So Google have to focus on this and Google have to fix this. I think Google will fix this later. But right now you are not able to access the rearranging option. So let me press enter.
And widths, use the theme
Sorry.
designer. Add and frame clickable banner landmark heading level 4 search. Top.
So search top. So I'm pressing down arrow.
Currently visible. To hide this gadget, go
So
to theme
currently
grader,
visible.
customize
If you
grader.
want, you can hide also. I'll show you how to do that.
Search this blog.
Search this blog.
Blog search gadget.
Blog search gadget. This is the gadget name.
Link edit.
So this is the button or link to edit. So let me press enter. Let's see what are the options there.
Configure search box dialog. Save button. Configure search box.
So this is
button
the
save.
configure search box. Here I'm just pressing tab.
Checkbox checked. Save button. Button can title edit search this blog.
So you need to press up and down arrow key always because otherwise you are not able to hear the options properly.
Heading show this widget.
Show this widget.
Checkbox checked.
So it is checked. So if you don't want to, if you don't want the search bar, you can just uncheck this box. Then the search bar will be hidden. But I know that I should keep.
Title edit search this blog.
So title edit search this blog.
Title.
If you want, you can change whatever you want.
Search
For example, I'm
blank.
just changing.
Sir. R-E-S. What?
What
What? T-A-A. What?
are you
Look. For. What are you looking for?
what are you looking for. Okay, so I'm just changing a little bit. So I'm just pressing down arrow. Next.
Button cancel.
Cancel.
Button save. But title edit. What are you looking for? Button save.
So I'm just saving.
Unavailable. Updating widget.
Now my
Out of frame
widget
dialog
is updated. This is the widget, and you can also, the gadget name is search gadget, and it is a search widget. The search widget of that blog is now updated. So let's do the next. After few changes, we will show the live how it reflect on our blog officially. So next is
button save. Button banner link logger.
Next gadget
Frame
is
clickable banner landmarks.
you can press download. You can
Header,
go to
heading
here.
level 4.
Header. So next gadget is header. So in header you have the blog title and blog description, and also you can add logo. So let's see how it works.
Currently visible. Read inspirational page header gadget.
Page
Link
header.
edit.
So I'm clicking on edit.
Getting gadget data. Configure
To
header
edit
dialog.
the
Save
gadget.
button. Configure header button. Heading. Show the heading level 1. Configure
It's very
header.
similar. Configure
Show
header.
this widget.
So I'm pressing down arrow. Always you need to use up arrow down arrow key, and whenever you are not able to access properly, just escape key once to move to your navigation options. Okay, so as I'm doing this video live, so you may get some other noises. Please ignore these noises, because it is not possible to record in a proper treated room in my area. So this is why, but just focus on my learning, focus on my voice. Okay, so still if you feel any query, any issues, anything happens, feel free to write into the comment section. Okay, we can able to know, and definitely we can take care from the future, next time. So I'm pressing down arrow.
Checkbox checked. Log checkbox. Show this widget.
Similarly, show this widget. So if you don't want to show the header, title and description, it is not recommended. So
Checkbox
you
checked.
can uncheck this box. So I'm not going to going to repeat this, because this is the same thing which you can find in most of the gadgets.
Blog title edit. Read inspirational stories online and
So
change
this is
your
the
life.
blog title which we have entered while we are creating our blog in the day one. So now I'm pressing tab,
Blog
or I
description
can
edit
just
multi-line.
use down arrow,
Out
blog
of blog description edit multi-line.
description. So blog description we have. So
Save button focused.
just
edit blog
we can
description edit
write
multi-line.
whatever we want.
Blog description.
So for example, I'm just writing
E-R.
change
J-
your
Space U-O-Y. Space. Your.
thought
O. Space H-G-U-O-A-T. Space. Dot. Space.
change
R-U-O.
your
Space E. G-N-A-H-C. Space. Chain. Your. E-G-F-I-L. Space. Life.
life. Okay, so I'm pressing escape once. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Out of edit image.
So image, if you have any logo, you can add your image.
No image.
So no image.
Select image by.
So select image
Radio
by
button checked. Input image URL.
input image URL. If you have photos, drives, links, you can just put the image URL.
Radio button not
Okay.
checked. Upload image from
Next,
computer.
upload image from computer. So I'm checking this.
Button no
Then-
file chosen. Choose file.
So let me choose our logo, because I don't have any
Items preview,
specific
level two
image for
items.
this.
Accessible achievements row. Accessible
so let
computing
me-
summary. Logo. Accessible computing 2022.
So I'm choosing this
Configure header
one.
dialog. Button no file chosen. Choose file. Logger. Layout Brave. Uploading. 33,107 of 33,107 bytes uploaded. Image uploaded successfully.
So it's uploaded. Now I'm pressing down arrow again. Sorry, down arrow is not working. So for here, I'm just using what key? Tab key.
Logger. Layout document. Configure header
Now I'm
dialog.
pressing escape key once. Now press down
Title
arrow.
and image. Shrink to fit image. Hide radio button checked. High image button logo. Accessible computing
So this is my
2022.jpg. Image placement.
Image placement. Now you have to careful about image placement. This is my recommendation. You should choose the option 3. So let's see what are the options.
Radio button checked. Behind title and description.
Behind title and description.
Radio button not checked instead
It
of title and
may
description instead of.
occurs. It may occurs. It may override your title and description. So here you need to press tab.
Behind title and description. Radio button checked 1 of 3.
Behind title of description, don't use.
Instead of title and description.
Instead
Radio
of
button
title and
checked 2 of 3.
description, so if you don't want to show the title and description, but you just want to show the logo, then obviously you can use this. Otherwise, there are a third option which is
Have a description placed after the image. Radio button check
have
3
a
of 3.
description after the image. So image is clear, description is clear, everything will be clear if you choose this option. So definitely I am always recommending you to use this. Let me press tab.
Checkbox not checked.
So I'm pressing down arrow. So see, some inaccessibility is there, some correct announcement is not there. So you have to use whenever you are stuck with tab and shift tab key, you have to use escape key once, or you have to use up arrow down arrow key. Okay, so this everything will be okay, or everything will be good with good practice. So practice on your own, create on your own. Okay,
Shrink to fit.
shrink to fit, which means the image will be automatically fit.
Checkbox not checked.
So just checking this box checked.
Checked.
Now press down arrow,
Image will be shrunk to 8. Button cancel.
cancel,
Button save.
and save. So just click on save button to save this widget.
Unavailable. Updating widget. Out of frame
So we are
dialog.
updating
Configure
the
header. Widget
widget.
updated.
Okay, so now the next widget is now updated. We are designing our blog with screen readers. We have already uploaded the first part of this workshop. So if you didn't watch that video, just use the description to watch that video. Now next we are going to learn, or we are going to edit the next, which is pages gadget.
Button E. Banner. Frame header heading level. Navigation landmark page
Navigation
list. Top, heading level
landmark
4.
page list top. This is the gadget name. Okay, so we know we have navigation landmark, header, footer, okay, main landmark, all these things we have, right? We know. So I'm pressing down arrow. Let's
Currently
see.
hidden. To make this
Currently
gadget visible,
hidden.
go to theme creator customized pages. Pages gadget.
Pages gadget.
Link edit.
So this is also the edit link. Now I'm going to edit this gadget.
Getting gadget data. Configure page list dialog. Save button. Configure page list. Button save.
Okay, so configure page list. We can configure the page list, but right now we can't configure the page list because we don't have the option to add the page right now because we don't know the URL. So I'm closing this by pressing escape key. Now let me show you another gadgets. After that, at the last, I will show you how to add pages in the menu or the navigation menu. How to add the pages in the navigation menu. Wherever pages you add in the navigation menu, it will show at the top of your document, or sorry, not document, top of your website or blog. So let me press down arrow.
Land. Button save. Banner left frame clickable header head navigation ads heading level 4.
Now ads. I'm not going to tell about ads right now because it's quite.
Banner landmark page list ads heading level 4.
So this is ads. So now I'm not going to tell you about ads because this is quite complicated. We will do it later if you need in future.
Requires config AdSense. AdSense link edit. Requires AdSense. AdSense link edit. Main landmark heading level 4 page body.
So main landmark page body.
Currently visible to a featured post.
Featured post. So in featured post, you can select a definite post. I mean, select a single post or choose some others options. So again, I'm telling you, if you get any outside noise, please consider, because I am just doing the live video. So you are watching this live or premiere as a
current featured post.
Featured post.
Featured post gadget. Featured post currently visible to hide this gadget. Go to
Featured
theme creator
post.
featured post gadget.
So
Link edit.
I'm clicking link
Getting
edit.
gadget data. Configure featured
See,
post type.
here what are the options there?
Heading.
We'll just try to understand.
Show this widget.
First, show this widget.
Checkbox checked.
So if you want to show this widget, you can show. If you don't want, you can hide.
Title edit.
Title.
Show post title. Checkbox checked.
Show post title.
Checkbox checked. Show text
Okay.
snippet.
Show text snippet.
Checkbox
You
checked.
can check
Show
this
image.
box check. Show
Checkbox
this.
checked.
Show
Use
image.
most recent post.
So now
Checkbox checked.
there
Use
is
most
option
recent
use
post.
most
Checkbox.
recent post. Most recent post means whatever post you have done last, it will be automatically added to the featured post
Button
section.
cancel. Checkbox checked.
Okay, so if you not check this last checkbox, then
Button cancel. Button say button check. Use most recent post. Checkbox checked. Show image. Checkbox show
Show
text.
image.
Checkbox show post title. Checkbox checked. Show this heading level 1 configure featured heading level 1 can show this checkbox checked. Title edit lang 100 characters maximum.
so if you want, you can title another title. You can edit.
Show post
Right.
title.
Okay.
Checkbox show him checkbox use most recent post. Checkbox checked. Checked. Not checked. Use most checkbox not checked. Selected featured post.
So
Checkbox not checked.
when you not check this last
Use
box,
most
like
recent
use
post.
most recently post, then below that you have an
Checkbox
option
selected featured post.
selected featured post. So from here you can just choose a post from your blog which will be top of your blog. So for example, if you have a product promotion or if you have the introduction post, whatever post you have, if you want, you can just configure that post as a featured post.
No post selected.
No post
Search post,
selected.
edit.
Search post. If you want to search, you can search from the search box.
A list of recent posts, list of boy and the apple tree.
List of posts, you will find all the list. Here you need to use tab key once to choose the list. Then just click
Button
on
cancel. A list of recent.
So I'm just
Search post. No
keep
selected
as it
feature.
is.
Checkbox not checked. Button save.
So I'm just saving this. Click and save.
Unavailable.
So the
Updating
gadgets will
widget.
be
Out of frame
updated.
dialog. Configure featured post. Widget updated.
So now this gadget is now updated. Now move to the next gadget.
No next heading. Frame. Out of frame. Head. Ads heading. Main footer heading. Left complement. Footer and main land. Pop link edit. Blog post gadget.
So blog post gadget.
Link edit.
Now second is blog post. This is very similar to featured post, but few options are there. So let me click on link edit.
Heading gadget data. Blog posts dialog. Save button. Heading level 1 blog posts. Number of posts on main page. Spin button.
Number
Editable
post
7.
on main page. So in first page, how many posts you want to show? If you want, you can change. I'm not changing.
Post page link text edit. Read more double right pointing angle
Post
bracket.
page link, which means when you should click permalink, I mean to know the details about the post, what is the should be there. Okay, so you can read
Show date
more.
header. Checkbox unavailable not checked.
Show date header.
This feature is not applicable to your current theme.
Okay.
Checkbox show date header.
Show date header.
Checkbox
This is
feature
not
applicable
applicable to your current theme. So as my theme is
show author. Checkbox not checked.
Show author. So you can, if you want, you can
show checkbox
show
not
the
checked.
author. Okay.
Show published time.
Show published time.
Checkbox checked. Published time prefix edit.
Published
List
time
elapsed.
prefix edit.
Show comment count.
Show comment count.
Checkbox checked. 5. Comment format edit
Okay.
comments.
Comment format edit
Show
comments. Labels.
Checkbox checked. Labels prefix edit.
So if you want to, if you don't want to show
Label
the
1. Label 2. Label.
if you don't want to show the labels, then you can uncheck this box. Okay, so I have already discussed about what is label in the previous session. Those who have missed, just use the description below and they can able to easily get that
Label
video.
1. Show email post link.
Show email post.
Checkbox not checked. Show
Okay.
share buttons.
Share buttons.
Checkbox checked.
Okay, so show share
checkbox
button, checkbox checked. So it's now checked. So if you don't want to add the share button, you can uncheck.
Show location.
Show location.
Checkbox check. Location prefix checkbox checked.
Okay.
New York, USA.
New York, USA. So
Location checkbox
I'm
checked.
unchecking
Not checked. Show
this.
author checkbox not checked. Arrange button save button list out of list with 1 items 5 comments out of list post body list with 1 items February 15th 2023 out of list
so
post
this is
title.
some
Arrange items.
demo.
Checkbox not checked. Show author profile. Check arrange items.
Arrange
Post
items.
title. Arrange check show location. Check arrange items. Post title.
Post title.
List with 1 items February 15th 2023
Then
out of
date.
list post body.
Then post body.
List with 1 items 5 comments.
Then
Out
comments.
of list with 1 items label 1 label 2 out of list button cancel. Button save.
So button
Cancel.
cancel.
Button save.
Save. So I'm just saving this.
Unavailable. Updating widget. Out of frame dialog blog post.
Similarly, there is another post,
head
another
navigation.
gadgets.
Ads heading level main footer head complementary footer main popular posts.
Popular post.
Popular posts gadget.
Okay. So let's explore quickly.
Link edit. Getting gadget data. Configure popular posts dialog. Save button. Configure popular post. Heading level show this widget. Checkbox checked.
Similar. So if you want to hide, you can not check this.
Title edit.
Title. Okay.
Most viewed. Radio but most viewed.
Most viewed. It's depend on your visitors. You can just keep as it is.
Radio show image thumbnail. Checkbox checked. Show snippets. Check the maximum button cancel maximum number of shown posts.
Maximum number of shown
posts
post.
list elapsed.
Whatever post you can
Maximum
show.
number
I'm
of shown
just
lock
showing
on.
25.
Button maximum number of shown posts list collapsed. 3 not 4 not 5 6 7 8 9 10. 9 10 not selected 10 of 10.
So I'm
10.
choosing 10.
Button cancel. Button save.
I'm saving.
Unavailable. Updating widget. Out of frame dialog. Configure popular post.
Again, I'm telling you, you need to press up arrow down arrow basically, and sometimes you need to use tab and shift tab, and once you done, just click on the save button, otherwise the widget will not be updated. Now next we will discuss about the footer portion.
Frame head navigation ads heading level main land footer complement footer heading level
Footer.
currently visible.
So first
Attribution.
is attribution. Attribution means your copyright area. Though as we are using the blog themes and all, so there are like theme credits. The theme credits will be there. You can change, but you can add your own copyright or attribution. How you can add? Let's see.
Attribution link edit.
So click on this link, edit.
Heading gadget data. Out of frame button save. Button save. Button copyright. Heading level
So
1
there is
configure copyright. Optional edit.
there you don't have the option to hide this gadget, because you must have this gadget to credit the blog or theme. Okay, so just here
Heading
you can edit
copyright. Optional edit.
copyright optional.
Copyright.
So
A, as
I am
planned.
just giving one thing, copy
Copyright.
right
R. Reserves.
reserves. So for example, CYL
Sil. Num lock.
2023. For example, just I am giving.
Button button save.
So I'm just saving this.
Unavailable. Updating widget. Configure attribution. Widget updated.
Okay, all those things we have done. Now next
No
is
next heading. Button preview. Frame clickable complementary landmark sidebar. Sidebar. Top. Footer heading level 4. Current at link
footer we
link
have
add a
done.
gadget.
Now the next thing is add a gadget, which we will discuss a little bit later. But before this, let me introduce how you can add the menu or add the pages. So before this, let us show that let us check that whatever changes we made, it will be done or not. So I'm logging.
Ilt 20 Y on L unselected. Num 2 on 0 2 3 unselected. Silt B on selection O B dot. Logs B L and O G on S and P O T on C O selection com. Silt 2023 dot blogspot.com selected. Read inspirational stories online and change your life. Link skip to main content. Banner landmark button. Link skip to main content.
See, you can
Banner landmark button search. Visited link graphic. Read inspirational stories online and change your life.
graphic means this is the logo.
Change your thought. Change your life. Main landmark heading level. Banner landmark.
This is
Change your thought. Change your life.
This is the blog description which we have written.
Main landmark heading level 2 posts.
Posts. So navigation landmark is missing. We will add it. Okay.
Heading level 3 link the boy and the apple. Menu
This is the
button
post
collapse
which
sub
you have
menu
done.
link fed a long time ago every day. 3 and the longer sad. 3's anymore have money but get excited. He picked the apple. 3 was X link. Link post a comment. Clickable link read more. Content info landmark visited link powered by blogger.
See.
Theme images by link Michael Elkin. Copyright reserved Sil 2023.
See, this is the copyright section
Complimentary
which we have
landmark
added.
link 1632561871809211460 link graphic. List with 1 items link change your life. Out of list link visit profile. Button collapsed heading level 3 archive. Button heading
Okay.
level.
So just I'm closing. I'm not closing. I'm just
Blogger,
switching this tab. Now you have another two
Heading
three
link
things
edit.
available.
Attribution currently at link link add a currently about me. Currently visible link add a gadget. Currently visible to hide this gadget. Go to link heading level 4 sidebar top. Link add a currently visible to hide this gadget. Go to theme greater customized greater gadgets.
So there are about me or profile
About
gadget,
me.
about me gadget. So I'm recommending you to not to use. You can just this will show your Google profile.
Profile link edit.
Okay, so I'm just
Getting
not
gadget.
checking this.
Out of frame button save button heading level
See.
show this widget.
Show
Checkbox
this
checked.
video checkboxes. I'm not checking.
Title checkbox checked. Title checkbox not title edit of show about checkbox checked. Show location checkbox button cat button save. Unavailable
saving
updating
this.
widget. Configure profile widget updated.
Okay, so this is the thing. Now next.
Widget updated. Button clear. Frame click sidebar. Bottom link edit. Profile about me. Pro link heading link add a gadget. Heading level 4 sidebar. Link currently visible. To hide this link add a gadget. Current log archive.
Blog archive. So archive means it will archive some posts. So if you want, you can keep it, or if you don't want, you can just
Log link edit.
not check
Currently
this.
visible. To hide labels.
Okay.
Current link edit.
So labels, similarly you can
Heading
uncheck
gadget
this
data.
box.
Configure heading level 1 show this widget. Checkbox
So I'm
checked.
not checking. I don't need.
Title
right
edit.
now.
Checkbox checked. Not title style. Radio but show post checkbox on a show oldest checkbox not archive check show oldest posts first.
Show oldest post
Checkbox not
first.
checked. Archive frequency. Radio
Archive
button check
frequency.
monthly radio but date month button or button cancel button remove.
So I'm removing
Remove
this gadget.
dialog. Are you sure? Button no button cancel button no configure archive dialog.
Okay,
Heading
so
level
I've
1
removed the
configure.
gadget. And now labels
Widget updated.
are very similar. So let me go to labels gadget.
Frame clickable complementary landmark sidebar bottom link her labels. Labels gadget.
Labels gadget.
Link edit. Getting
Click
gadget
on
data.
edit.
Heading level 1 show this widget.
Show this widget.
Checkbox checked. Title edit labels. Label sorting. Radio button checked alphabetically. Radio button not checked by frequency. Display.
Okay.
Radio button checked list. Radio button not checked cloud.
Okay.
Show number of posts per label.
So all these
Checkbox
things
not
like
checked. Display. Radio button checked all labels. Radio button not checked selected labels. Select button remove. Button cancel.
okay, so all these things options are available. So I'm not going to remove this gadget. So let me press escape.
Out of frame.
I'm keeping as it is.
Button save. Button preview. Button save.
Okay. So these are some gadgets.
button,
So
frame,
another gadget is
report
pending,
abuse.
report abuse.
Report abuse gadget. Link edit.
So if you don't want this gadget, so you can remove this. Okay. So this is the gadget where if you do some violence, so anyone can report against your blog to the Google, and Google will check if you do any wrong. Okay, with that you can do. So if you want, you can, I think, remove. Let me
Link edit.
explore.
Getting gadget data. Config. Heading level 1. Show this widget. Checkbox check. Button cancel. Button save. Button save. Button
Okay,
checkbox check.
okay. So you can't you cannot
Not
remove.
checked.
I mean,
Button cancel. Button save. Button save. Checkbox not checked. Show this widget. Checked button. Button save. Checkbox not checked. Button save.
So I'm saving
Unavailable.
this and
Updating widget. Out of frame
this.
dialog. Config.
Okay, so all these things are over. Now let me open. Let me show you how you can add the pages. Okay. There are few things are pending. First, we need to copy the page link. How to do that? I will show you first. Step 1, go to pages.
Banner land. Make blog select create.
I'm not going to repeat.
Blog post link stats comment earnings pages link visited.
So these are the pages. So
Pages
let's
5 loading.
go to the
Blogger layout
pages.
document. Blogger pages.
Here we need to go to the page, desired page.
Choose a status for your post.
We have only one page.
Button list with 1 items about us. Change your life. Link graphic change published. Bullet February 14. Button share.
So this is the share button. Just click on that.
Share window. Pop-up dialog. You are sharing about us.
Press
You are sharing
Shift
about
plus
us.
Tab once.
Share with list. A Nikram 1 of 3.
Again.
Nearby sharing set share with. Near share to people list. Rattle Basak and Rattle Basak. Share with list. Copy link 2 of 3.
So press up at the right arrow. You'll find copy link. Just press enter.
Blogger pages document.
Link
Button
copied.
share.
So either you can paste this link to any notepad. This is the way you can copy all of your pages link in a notepad. Which pages you want to add to the pages list on the top. You can also add another pages gadget in the bottom. Okay, I will show you how to do that.
Out of list banner landmark but link blogger. Button expanded.
Again now go to layout.
List with help click Google account. Click help search search syntax. Search combo link blogger. Button collapsed. Blog selection. Posts to earnings pages layout link blogger pages document. Loading page loaded.
Then go to navigation.
Frame clickable banner landmark header heading level 4.
Header.
Currently with navigation landmark page list. Top heading currently pages. Pages gadget link edit.
So click on link edit.
Getting gadget data. Configure page list dialog. Save button. Configure page list. Button save. Heading level
Here
1.
you can add the options. So for example,
Show
first
widget.
is show this widget.
Checkbox not checked.
So first you need to check this box check. After that you have option
Title
to
optional edit.
title.
Title optional
So
edit.
for example, here I can just give main menu or main options. Okay, so I can just giving you menu for example. Below that,
Page list.
now here you need to use tab key. So I'm pressing tab.
Move this item up button.
Tab.
Move this item down. H home.
So you need to use both things, tab and shift tab, and up and down arrow key. Let's see how I use.
Page home.
Home.
http://sil2023.blogspot.com/.
So it is already selected. You can keep as it is.
Button move this item up. Button move this item down. Button edit this item. Button delete this item.
So move up, move down. You can do whatever you want. So for example, if I just move up or move down, you can do with this. I will show you. Let me add a new item.
Button add a new item.
This is the button to add a new item where you can add your pages. So click on this
Add
link.
a dialog. Save
Press
button.
enter.
Button save. Unavailable.
Here you need to use shift tab key or tab key.
Cancel
Shift
button.
tab.
Page URL combo box expanded.
Here
as
you need to
autocomplete
give you
editable
the
blank.
page URL. So I'm pasting the page URL which I have just copied.
Page URL combo box focused expanded as autocomplete editable https://sil2023.blogspot.com/p/aboutus.html.
Okay. Now I'm pressing shift tab to give the
Page name combo
Page
box expanded
name.
as autocomplete editable blank.
So I'm giving about us.
About
Okay, so I'm pressing.
us. Page cancel button. Save button.
I'm saving this item, not this gadget. I'm saving this item.
Out of frame dialog. Configure page list.
Okay. So see, for example, I want that about us page will be above home. If I want this, then
Configure page list. Page loaded. Dialog. Configure page list.
okay. So NVDA focus will move away. So you just need to press enter on
Page dialog. Configure page list.
dialog configure page list.
Configure page list dialog. Configure page
See.
list dialog. Heading level 1. Configure page list. Show this widget. Checkbox not checked. Title. Option. Page list. Home. HTTP. Button. Move this item up. Button. Move this item down. Button.
So move this up, move this down. So if I press tab,
Save button. Cancel. Add a new item button. Delete this item button. Edit this item. Move this up. Move this up. Delete this item button. Edit this item button. Move this item down button.
so if I click this, I mean if I click this, so this item will be down. So for example, I'm just doing that. See,
HTTP home. Button. Move this H about us.
about us, above, then
HT but home.
home. Okay, so if you want, you can also edit the items. I mean edit page link, page name, whatever you want, because edit button is also there. So you just need to use tab key here. First listen
But
this,
HTTPS
then press tab.
2020. Move this item up button. Move this item down button.
So I'm downing this. Okay, so this is the way you can add pages. After adding all the pages, whatever pages you want, you can just adding, removing, up, down, whatever you want to do, you can do. After completing this, just press
Edit, delete, add and cancel. Save button.
click on save button.
Unavailable. Updating widget. Configure page list. Widget updated.
Now all the things are done. So let's see.
Read inspiration.
I'm just refreshing.
Read inspirational stories online and change your life. Link skip to main landmark posts heading level 2.
Posts.
Heading level 3 link heading banner link
Okay,
skip
so
to link
let's
skip
see.
banner visited link graphic read inspiration change your thoughts main landmark heading level 2 posts heading level 3 link the boy and the apple tree heading level
Why it's not visible? Let me check
Logger.
whether I think I have done
frame
some
click header
mistake.
heading level navigation landmark page list top currently menu current pages gadget
Okay,
link
I'm
edit
not.
getting gadget heading level
I'm
1
not-
checkbox not checked
Yes, I'm just
show this with
checking this
checkbox not
box.
checked
Okay, so sometimes spacebar will not work in the checkbox cases. So you need to press enter there.
button save unavailable
I'm saving.
updating widget out of frame read
Now
inspirational
see.
Read inspirational stories online and change your life. Banner landmark navigation landmark heading. Link skip to main banner landmark and change your thumb navigation landmark heading level 3 menu. List with 2 items link home link about US.
Okay,
About US link. Home link.
home.
About US link.
Okay, so these are the pages which we have just added. I hope till now it's clear how to add pages and all. Now
Logger layout.
you can add gadgets in 2 areas. Another gadgets, new gadgets, you can add in 2 areas. Which areas? Let me tell you one by one. After that, we will complete the gadget portion and move to the last part of this webinar or this training program.
Page loaded. Frame clickable complementary landmark sidebar. Bottom heading level
So
4.
sidebar bottom. Sidebar bottom means you can add the gadgets at the sidebar bottom,
Link add a gadget.
which will be added
Currently visible. To hide this
After-
gadget, go to theme greater labels.
labels. Okay, after labels gadget, you can be added if you click
Current link add a gadget.
this link after listening
Heading level 4 sidebar. Bottom.
this. Okay, sidebar bottom. After sidebar bottom, if you find this link like add a gadget, it will be added after labels. Another is sidebar top.
Sidebar. Top. Heading level 4.
So before sidebar top, below that you have the same link
Link add a gadget.
add a gadget, which will be
Heard
added
about me.
before about me section. Okay, so if you hide the about me section, then before that it will be added and about me section will be hidden. If you turn on the about me section again, then below that gadget the about me section will be appear. Okay, so both are the same thing, but you can add 2 places your gadgets. But adding gadgets is very easy and the same thing, I mean same process you should apply. Let's explore what are the gadgets available. 24 to 25 gadgets are there.
Currently hidden. To make the link add a gadget.
So for example, I'm just
Out of frame
choosing
page
the
load.
last.
Frame clickable complementary landmark sidebar. Bottom link add a gadget.
So I'm clicking on this
Getting gadgets list. Add a gadget dialog.
gadgets
List
list.
of widgets menu. AdSense earn revenue by displaying
AdSense,
relevant ad. Blog search. Let
blog
visitor search your
search,
blog. 3 of
which
25.
we have already.
HTML/JavaScript. HTML/JavaScript add.
HTML JavaScript. If you want, you can add HTML JavaScript gadgets. It's quite self-explanatory. If you want, you can use
Profile display
Profile,
information. Blog archive. Make
blog
any page header.
archive,
Page header display your
page
blog
header.
title and descript. Followers displays a list of users who follow your blog. 8 of
followers.
25.
If you want, you can
Image add an image from your computer or from
image.
some labels show all the labels of posts in your pages display a list of standalone pages on your.
So if you want to add any pages at the bottom, you can just click here and you will be added gadgets will be added, pages gadget, and you can easily add pages by using the method which we have just discussed.
Link list display a collection of your favorite sites, blogs or web pages for your visitors. Text add a text message to your blog. 13
so
of
if you
25.
want to add only text, you can add
Popular posts display
post,
list blog stats display the number of page views to your blog. Fit blog list show off what you read with a blog roll of your feed add content from an RSS or Atom feed to your blog. 17 of 25. Logo show your blogger pride by adding a logo to your page. 18 of 20. Subscription links let your readers easily subscribe to your blog with popular feed readers.
Okay.
Translate let visitors translate your blog
gadget
into different.
Okay, so if you want, you can just try on your own.
List add a list of your favorite books, films, or anything that you like. 20 contact form add a contact form to your blog. 22 of 20 Wikipedia with this gadget you can quickly, conveniently and easily search on Wikipedia for articles or full text. 23 of 20 contact form.
So let's add a contact form.
Out of frame dialog, add a gadget. Getting gadget data. Configure contact form dialog. Save button.
Let's configure contact
level
form.
1 can show this widget. Checkbox checked.
So it's show this widget checkbox
Title edit contact form.
Title edit contact form.
Title
so if you want, you can change
contact blank.
So you can find contact form in our website also. Write to us. So I'm just typing one thing, that is so for example, I'm just typing
tell us your
story, for example.
Button cancel. Title edit. Tell checkbox check. Title edit button save. Unavailable. Updating widget. Dialog. Configure contact.
See.
Read inspirational stories. A main landmark post head. A buoyancy Apple complimentary landmark. Tell us your story. Heading level 3. Name. Edit email style. Button send. Edit out of edit email name. Heading level 3. Tell us your name.
So name.
Edit email star. Edit
email
message star.
Message.
Edit multi-line. Out of edit button send.
Send. So this is send button. When visitors will send any message, you will be get an email from Logger. Okay. So this is the way you can easily add gadgets at any sidebar wherever you want. So this is
Logger.
The way to add gadgets. Now let me quickly show you the settings options, which is very easy.
Make blog select create new blog posts.com earnings pages link layout link theme link visit settings link dashboard menu settings 8 of 8 loading blogger layout document blogger settings.
So let's see what are the settings are available. Okay.
No next head out of basic title base banner land out of title
basic
read
title.
Inspirational stories online and change
so
your
title
life.
It's similar to page header.
Description. Change your thought. Change your life.
Change your thought. Change your life.
Blog language. English. United
blog
Kingdom.
language.
Adult content. Show warning to blog readers. Checkbox not checked.
So if your blog contains so much adult contents, please check this box check.
Google Analytics measurement ID. Link favicon.
This don't touch.
Privacy. Visible to search engines.
Visible to
Allow
search
engines to find your blog. Checkbox checked. Publishing. Blog address. sil2023.blogspot.com. Custom domain.
Custom domain. If you have custom domain, you can add. I'm not going to show you in this training. It's not a part of our training.
Fallback subdomain. Redirect domain. Checkbox unavailable not checked. HTTPS. Checkbox HTTPS redirect. Ensure that visits to HTTP redirect to HTTPS.
Okay.
Checkbox checked. Permissions. Check and HT checkbox unavailable. HT checkbox unavailable not checked. HTTPS. Ensure checkbox permissions.
Permissions. So
blog admins and authors.
Blog admins and authors. Here you can give access.
Change your life. Pending author invites.
Pending author invites. So here you can invite new authors to access your blog, to write blog. Okay. To write articles and all. Okay. So if you want, you can invite authors.
No pending invite. Invite more authors.
Invite more
Reader
authors.
access.
Reader access.
Public.
It's public. So if you want, you can change it to private. Private means you can just give some access. For example, if you make a blog for only for your students, you can change it to private, and you can mention, you can select their email ID. Only when they log in with their email ID to their browser, they can only access the blog. So we are not going to discuss in deep. So if you need these things in deep, just feel free to let me know into the comment section, or you can ask in the live talk session. To join the live talk session, you must have in our dedicated WhatsApp group, which is available the video description below. Please go and register your name, and there you can add to our dedicated WhatsApp group, where we will post the link tomorrow. So if you watch this video, if you are watching this video after the date of the workshop, so please do not register, because the registration will be closed after today. Okay.
Custom
Now
readers.
next.
No custom reader. Pending custom reader invites.
Custom reader invites.
No pending invite more
Okay.
readers. Posts. Max posts show posts. Max posts shown on main
Max
page.
shown post on main page. See, it's very easy. You can easily understand.
7
Okay.
post archive free monthly. Post template image lightbox.
Post template.
Showcase check box check comments.
Showcase
Comment
comments.
load embedded. Who can comment? Users with Google accounts.
Users with Google accounts.
Comment
Okay.
moderation.
Comment
Never.
moderation. Never.
For posts older than
For post
14
older than
days.
14
Email
days.
moderation request to reader comment captcha. Show word verification for readers who comment. Checkbox unavailable checked. Comment form message. Email. Comment form message.
Comment for message.
Email.
Okay. Email.
Post using email.
Post using
Email.
email. Okay. There are a lot of
Comment form
options are
message.
available, which you can access from your own on your own, and you can try.
Email.
Okay.
Post music disabled. Comment notification email. No pending comment retulbus and invite email post pending. No pending invite formatted. Time zone GMT update
Time
header format.
zone.
Wednesday, February.
Everything you can find. Okay. At the last,
Blank.
at the
Link to
end, you will
checkbox not
find.
checked. Link user profile. Check use blogger general. Checkbox not enable link title and enclosure links. Post feed footer. Post feed reader full. For post comment feeds.
Okay, so last you can
Full.
get a
Blog comment
link
feed
like
full. Blog full. Allow site feed. Remove your blog. Link videos from your blog. Backup content.
backup
Import
content,
content.
import
Manage blog.
content,
Custom
manage blog,
ads.txt.
custom
Checkbox
ads.
not checked. Enable custom ads.txt. Monetization. Link Google Search Console. Post and page tags. Archive and search page tags.
So there are some advanced options are there. So if you think that you should get the details from me, then definitely just let me know. Feel free to comment in the comment section. If I will get so much views of this video, if this video cross 500, 1k, 2k, 3k views, then only I will be able to make some advanced research on that.
Post
So
link to
let me
monetization. Enable check custom
remove
manage
the
blog.
blog. We don't want this blog
Import
right now.
backup link videos for remove your blog site feed. Remove your
So I'm
blog.
just clicking remove.
Delete blog dialog. Delete button. Delete button. Link download blog.
Okay, so you can download blog
Before you
also.
delete your blog, do you want to export it? Link download button. Cancel button. Delete.
So I'm clicking on delete button.
Unavailable. Deleting blog. Loading. Blog successfully deleted. Blogger info. Banner landmark navigation landmark out of blog blogger. It button on the blog success blog button on button permanently delete. Your blog was deleted on February 15th, 2023. Button per your graphic lock blog image. Your button on delete. Blogger info.
So you have a few days, few times left to recover your blog. Otherwise, the blog will be deleted permanently. So I don't want to recover. So I
Button
didn't.
on button
I
permanently delete. Blank. Permanent
permanently
blog
delete.
dialog. Permanently delete blog. Blog successfully deleted. Blank. Blank. Blog dialog. Permanent button. Button can't button. Permanently
So
delete blog.
permanently
Permanently
deleting
delete
blog.
button. Deleting blog. Loading.
Okay, so now I have deleted
Blogger,
the
reading list.
permanently I have deleted the
Read
blog.
inspirational stories.
You see, I'm refreshing.
Blog not found. Banner
Blog
landmark
not
link.
found. The blog is deleted. So this is the way you can create your blog. Everything I have explained, and also you can just learn more by doing the self-explanatory. Now the last part, where I am going to tell you some important key points and notes which you should remember, which is very, very important to start your blogging journey. Number 1, select your topic. First you need to select your topic, your niche. If your niche is not clear, then definitely it is very hard to continue your blog. So use this formula to find your niche, your passion, your interest, your knowledge, and some demand in the market. So research on these 4 parameters, you will be able to find your niche easily. Number 2, create a blog with a unique name. Try to find out your blog's name. Number 3, try to use custom domain. So if you want to more information regarding domain, you can search in Google, or you can ask me into the comment section. You can ask me into the live talk session. Third thing, you should learn a little bit, at least a little bit of HTML. Why? Because you have the more customizable options to start or to grow your blog. Number 4, you should give a 3 words tagline of your blog. Number 5, you should design a very beautiful logo for your blog. If you want to take help from us, you can contact us. Only for Indians, we can help you right now. So you can contact us, we will help you in this. Now the next thing which you should use, or we should remember, that is be consistent. You should have the consistent, and your blog should be a SEO based. So we are not going to discuss in SEO details. Definitely we have a plan to do the workshop regarding SEO with an expert. So if you want more in this, definitely we will conduct more and more trainings, sometimes free, sometimes paid, but we need views, we need more power from you guys. So this is why I'm just going to tell you, please share as much as possible. I need more and more views, at least 2k, 3k, 5k views. Then only I will get more inspiration to make new videos, right? So this is the thing. These are some few tips to start your blog. And also I will share a website where you will get more tips and tricks on our official Telegram channel only, where you will get the blogging tips. So you can start blog with the help of that. Now if you want to start the blog professionally, I'm recommending you to use WordPress. You should learn WordPress and you can start blog. And there are, if you want to do SEO, so Blogger is it not suitable for SEO? It's yes, blogspot.com is a very strong domain, but it is not very good for SEO. So if you want to SEO based content, if you want to get a professional website on your own, so you must learn the WordPress. So we are going to start the WordPress training very soon. So keep your eyes on our social media accounts. All the links are given in the video description below. We will post there. Also, we are going to start the HTML next batch for my Indian friends right now. So please, if you want to learn HTML, just visit our VI Tech Academy. The link is given in the video description below, and you can able to learn the HTML with from your home. The final thing which I'm going to tell you, that is, you have the following ways to earn from a blog. Number 1, you can run AdSense. AdSense is a Google ad service where ads will be there on your pages and posts, and Google will share up to 60% with you from their ad revenue. Second option, you can sell on your own products. Okay. Third option, you can do affiliates. I have made already a video regarding affiliate. Just go and check what is affiliate marketing, how you can do affiliate marketing, all these things you can check. Okay, so if you need, I can definitely make another video in depth all these things. And third thing, you can just teach. You can provide online tuitions, online services, online trainings regarding your blog through your articles and videos. So these are some tips to earn from your blog. If you want to get in deep, or if you want to know more detail about all these things, feel free to ask into the comment section or live talk session. Last but not the least, thank you everyone for being with us, for being with me till the end, and thank you everyone to reach us to 1.5k family member. I hope it will be 2K very soon. Then definitely we will come with another exciting webinar or any other free gift for you. So thank you everyone. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for listening this workshop. Thank you for attending this workshop. Thank you for attending this live training. Hopefully this training will be will benefit you, will give you the benefit. So this is for now. See you the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, and stay in learning mode. This is Ratul with you, hold the webinar. So thank you, thanks for watching, thanks for attending. I wish you a very good future, and see you in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye everyone. This is Ratul signing off.